Hello, welcome to another shop with me video. Today I'm at Burlington. I'm starting with this vibrant one. Look at this. This skirt is really flowy, perfect for summer. The color is given. Yeah. Alright, let's check out the price. This is $13.99. Today I'm at Burlington. Alright. Just get your cup of tea, relax, and let's enjoy what they have for us today. In the store, look at this clean white button-down shirt. This is, I'm trying to grab store price for you. Okay, store price is not on this. Let's keep going. I have this lace top. This is well cropped for $14.99. I love this. Okay, and we have another one here for $12.99. Okay, here we have this skirt by this brand. I have got lots of pants from them, very good. And this one is $13.99. All right, and here we have this graphic tee by Guess for $14.99. All right, behind me, I'm looking at this oh my God, I love this shade of white. And this one is $12.99. And we have this one by Tommy Hilfiger for $19.99. Okay, yeah. I'm looking at these flowy pants with two deep front pocket for $12.99. And this one, this is new in the store for $12.99, is by the brand NYCC. Okay, and this open throw on lights blazer, I will say, by the same, this is by New York, yeah, by the same brand for $16.99. All right, more tees here, and I'm looking at this button down yellow top for, it feels so light, for this is for $10.99. They have different types of tees here. This is by Guess for $14.99. It's available in other sizes, same price. Okay, here I am looking at this. If you're interested to see what they have, somewhere else, keep watching. This one is $14.99. Yeah, floral, perfect for vacation. It's available in other sizes for $14.99. You can never go wrong. Here we have this stripes one for $14.99, and this is by Tommy Hilfiger. And here we have this one. Oh my God. Yeah, all these vibrant colors are all out. If you love them, come to Burlington. They got you covered, right? You will see lots of orange, yellow, blue, greens, $9.99. Okay, and here we have this one, $10.99. Interesting. And let's keep going. Here we have this. All right, let's check out other section and see what they have. To handbag section, let's start from here. This is by Guess. This is so yeah, if you are looking for very colorful bags, this is crossbody, $37.99. It is new in the store. Look at this. Yeah, with 3 zippers. This one is $9.99. And we have this one by GC Couture. Yeah, $17.99. Well structured bag for $19.99. And here we have lavender Steve Madden for $27.99. More colorful handbags here. Look at that. Yeah, these $14.99. Yeah, interesting. And this diaper bag in olive green. Yeah, store price is not on this one. We may grab it somewhere. Okay, look at it. $22.99. And Bora yellow. Look at that. Bora yellow. If you are all about this trend, they have different types of handbags here. This is on sale for $13.99. Wait a minute. No way. This is Made in Go. Yeah. Different types. This is by GC Couture, 17. And we have this one neon. Look at this, 14.99 cents. Behind you see, clean colors. Here you have this one, Tommy Hilfiger, for 27.99 cents. And here we have the shoulder crossbody, right, for $19.99. Down here we have this one by CK for 59.99 cents. All right, and here Steve Madden for 24.99 cents. Yeah, here we have this one canvas one by Nywest for 29.99 cents. If you like my type of video, please give me a thumbs up. Share, $19.99. Thank you so much for your support. Here we have this one by Steve Madden for 39.99 cents. More bags here. Those are good diaper bags. This can serve as a traveling bag as well if you want to. Okay, here we have this one by Aldo. I know, yeah, it's Aldo. Look at it. Yeah, they make bags like this a lot. 29.99 Up here we have this shoulder bag for 27.99, and here we have this tote bag by Nywest for 29.99, and they have something similar. Yeah, it's actually the same. This is in a chocolate brown. Okay, yeah, 29.99. And here we have more tote bags by Guess. All right, this one is 44.99. Here we have this one by JC Culture for 27.99. Down here is more bags. Look at this, 21.99. Okay, and here we have this one by Adidas. Yeah, and this one is 24.99. More back here. This is by Steve Madden, 2-in-1. Here you have this one for 39.99. Okay, let's look at what they have here. Look at these backpacks. This is the time to buy backpacks if you see something good. Look at this one. This is by Guess, and this one store price for this is $42. Okay, the quality is good. All right, let's check out other sections. Yeah, shoe section. Let's start from here. This is by Jessica Simpson. Isn't this cute? This is everything. Yeah, perfect for those events in size 8. Yeah, store price for this is $36.99. And we have this one by London Fog. Yeah, I'm seeing more shoes by this brand of late. $14.99. Okay, and here we have this by Steve Madden for $34.99. This must be, yeah, very good heel height. I love that. Look at this clean white. Look at these high-rise sneakers. Oh, by Levi's for 14. Wait a minute. Look at this. $14.99. What? That's what we are talking about. Behind here we are looking at more shoes. Okay, here we have this one, look, for $32.99. And here we have this one by CK for $26.99. And we have this one in hot pink for $14.99. Up here I am looking at these sandals. Let me show you. Look at these sandals, $21.99. Interesting. Okay, speed around. Let's see what we have here. This is by Anakin. Okay, let's see. $24.99. And here is this flats for $26.99. Yeah, we have these stripes, Tommy Hilfiger for $18.99. Good. And we have this mesh ballet flat for $19.99. And we have this patent leather. Look at this tongue sandals for $14.99 in size 8. Look at the height. Very good. For the price is a steal. Okay, look at this. If you like my type of video, please give me a thumbs up. Share. And we have crochet here. If you are all about this trend, come to Burlington, $14.99. All right. Yeah. This is by Nike for $39.99. Yeah. Okay. More sandals here. Look what we got here. Mark Fisher. If you like my type of video, please give me a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, bye for now.